You got anything?
Yeah, thanks.
I don't know why it's only outputting like 2 watts. Does it show any charge? No. I suspect it would need to go for quite a while.